Well, hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack, and as I always say, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. Behind me, a huge Depression era building. Depression era building, that is. That's when it was built. This is the home of what used to be a place that manufactured stoves back in the Great Depression. Where is it? It's just off Highway 31 in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee, just on the outskirts of Nashville, Tennessee. And now it's simply called The Factory. 310,000 square feet that was renovated many years ago and is now the home to several shops and restaurants. And one restaurant in particular I do want to point out to you. In the meantime, I tell you what, we'll take a little tour. You can see outside this place a big old water tower there. It's a nice day to check this out. It's actually getting close to early evening. And so we'll take a little walk in here, give you a look at what we're seeing. And not really crowded. This is a couple of days after Christmas, so it's fairly quiet here. But I do want to give you a look at this really cool place. They also have what they call a maker's market in here. That's going to be local folks who make different types of furniture and crafts and things like that. And of course, local food as well. So here we are as we take our look inside. You can see it's a really cool building. The original concrete floors here. There's a stairway going up to the top there, probably at one time overlooked the manufacturing area here. Inside, these are old carousel animals, I guess you'd say, from a carousel that people used to ride. Very, very historic. Out here is the main area. Really a pretty place to come and just hang out. Hey, they got free Wi-Fi if you need that. Over to the right, this is one of the local places that people seem to really enjoy. It's called Jenny's Ice Creams. As we continue along here, back here's the place I really wanted you guys to see. See the red sign? It's called Mojo's Tacos. And we're not talking about just your average everyday taco. They have several vegetarian tacos to choose from, which I had today. I had the cauliflower tacos and the fried avocado tacos with a side of chips and queso and salsa. I ate right here at the bar, which was just absolutely beautiful. Now if we go back here though, you can see they've got several different ones you can choose from when it comes to tacos and drinks as well. There's the menu board. I mean, they've got Baja fish, the fried avocado I mentioned. They've got fried chicken. They've got hot chicken, Nashville hot chicken, brisket, fajita taco, the Korean cauliflower. That's the one that I really enjoy. Adobo chicken, the puffy taco, chorizo, and potato taco as well. Again, this place is just fantastic. Several beers on tap. And one thing that I really enjoyed here is the fact that they had Tecate. A lot of places don't have Tecate beer. One of my favorites, and they have it here. It's also pretty friendly on the budget. I had 2 tacos with a side of chips and salsa and the Tecate beer, and I got out for less than 15 bucks. You've also got some really cute little gift shops and things that sell nothing but Tennessee products. So again, this is a really cool place to come, called The Factory, located just off Highway 31 in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. So if you're out this way, be sure and check it out. And as we always say, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well. That's Traveling with Jack and Pam. Until we see you again next time, have a great day, and better yet, make it a better tomorrow. Bye now.